guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have a few items to share with you. My free shipping is still $35 on US orders. The free Wit 60 is this cute little caffeinated terrier. It's while supplies last. It says hashtag I love you, and he's holding on to a big cup of coffee there. This is from the new Rabbit Hole Designs release, so I'm going to share that with you. I did list the quarantine messages from the greeting farm. I actually thought they were arriving today because I saw greeting farm out for delivery, and I had forgotten that I reordered the boba Anya, and actually this is the one that arrived today. So my quarantine messages are on the way, probably take 3 days, and so I have it up as pre-order. So your order will just be on hold for a few days until it arrives. So this is the other stamp set that's new from the Rabbit Hole Designs. It's called Buggy for Caffeine, and you get 3 bugs with coffee cups. We've got this grasshopper and an ant, and that one I think is a beetle. He looks like a beetle to me. Yep, Beetlejuice. So we've got the sentiments: caffeine makes me hungry. Don't bug me, I haven't had my coffee yet. It's perfect for these guys. Hashtag Beetlejuice. Hashtag will work for caffeine. Hashtag dead before caffeine. See ant before coffee. So that's like can't before coffee. So that's fun. And then I only have one left of the broken glass stencil. And then I forgot to share that I brought in the dies from Whimsy for the slimline, and they're already almost sold out. I think I have just these 3 left. So we've got the waves, we've got the postage, and the marquee die. So I will be restocking those again shortly. I'll make another order on the 1st. Hopefully they'll be in stock still. And then my second shipment of Doodlebug arrived, and there will be a 3rd one with the sprinkles. So this one here, I got the stickers for both collections. So I do have the paper in stock and the cute little 3D stickers. And now I have the Chit Chat and Odds and Ends. So this is for the party time. So you get all your sentiments, little tickets and speech bubbles, and then all your characters on that one. And then for the Hey Cupcake collection, got your cute little characters there. And then there's some acetate pieces in there. And then your Chit Chat. And then we have the washi tape. So I like these ones that say happy birthday, because these are perfect for when you make your birthday cards and you want to seal up your envelopes. Those are perfect. And then there's another one with the scripty. And then we've got cute confetti. We've got bonbons, cute little bonbons. And some more confetti. This is one's called Surprise Party, and then we've got stars, which is called Let's Celebrate. And then these little brads, this one's called Sweet Surprises. They're cute little presents. So that is what I have to share for today, and I am going to work on a card. I have to make a card for this. I forgot about these cupcakes. So I'm going to make a card so you can have a card to follow along with your cute little cupcake. That's the free digital download, and I have a tutorial on how to color up the cupcakes 2 different ways. So that's on my channel, and also these cute little cafe latte mugs here. And you can purchase that digital image on my website. So thank you for stopping by, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.